You have been looking for jobs, so what do? You visit job portals, job websites like Wellfound, Naukri.com or Remote.com, and you create your profile and start applying for jobs. Done, right? But there is a problem, and the problem is in the second part. When after signing up on job portal, you start filling your details like personal details, job experience, projects, and skills. You have to do it on every job platform that you visit. Let's say you visit Wellfound.com. They ask you the same detail and you fill it. Again, you visit different job portal like Remote.com. You fill that detail again, and the case remains same for every job portal. You have to do it again and again. Why? Do we not have a solution? So in this video, we are going to talk about what is the problem and how we can solve this. Few months back, I was just about to complete my third year, and I went through the same situation where I had to create my profile on all the different job platforms for applying to jobs. But quickly I ran into this problem and I got annoyed. On every job portal, I had to enter the same detail. The detail quite remains the same. The skills, the job experience, personal details, my projects, and my certifications. So why is that? We lack a solution to this problem. We never pay a lot of attention to this particular scene because it's a one-time process. We get it done and pass it through. But would it not be better to have a solution where we can create our job profile once and use it everywhere? In this case, there is one more problem. And the problem is that if I learn a new skill, I have to add it on all the job profiles that I have. So let's say I have my job profile on 5 different platforms. Now I have to add the same skill on all the different platforms. So that is a problem I encountered, and this is one of the problem. But I also encountered a different problem, and that problem was related to my resume. And since resume also contains the same details, the problem goes something like this. We have our details on the resume, and the details can vary in the sense we can have our skills and expertise in different domains. If I talk about myself, I am into 2 different domains, cloud and full stack development. So my details, my experience and my skills differ. I want to share my details which are more relevant to full stack development when I am applying for a full stack role, and relevant skills and details for cloud if I'm applying for a cloud related role. But there is a problem. If I create 2 different resume, I have to maintain those. If I am to create the resume and let's say I uploaded it to Drive, if I'm not changing the resume, it stays the same and it's good to go, not a problem. But imagine you have to update your resume. You first of all start by editing your resume where you created it. Let's say you created it on Docs. You edit on Docs, convert it to PDF, re-upload it to Drive, and from there, if you want to share link, you have to recreate the link and reshare it basically. So doing that is also annoying, because if I have to do this again and again, if I learn new skills, add experience to my resume, then it gets tedious. So wouldn't it be a better if we had a central place for storing our resume, and we can update our resume on the place and we do not even need to re-upload and recreate the links? Now, enough talking about the problem. So what about the solution? I'm going to present the solution in the upcoming video.